Alright, the spell ringer is an ACT problem. Okay, we're using segment addition, which we've been doing. It says points B and C lie on segment AD as shown below. Segment AD is 32 units long, so I'm going to go ahead and label that from A all the way to D is 32. Alright, then AC is 23, so from A to C, this chunk here is 23. And segment BD is 27, so from B to D in green there is 27. How many units long, if it can be determined, is segment BC? So we just want this piece in yellow here. Okay? Alright, so the whole thing is 32 in blue. The red and the green pieces are overlapping. So we need to get rid of that overlapping piece so we can figure out what these little, these small pieces are here from A to B and C to D. If I can get rid of that overlapping piece and just figure out what those small pieces are, I can add all three pieces together and get the whole thing. Okay, so starting with the red piece is originally 23 plus the green piece is 27, so that'll give me what they're all total. Okay, including that overlapping section, but total what those are together is 50. Okay, so if I take that total together, those two pieces are 50. If I subtract 32, which is what the entire piece should be, that'll get rid of that extra overlapping piece. So it'll tell me what the yellow piece is basically. So when I subtract that, I get 18. 18. So this yellow piece, this overlapping piece is 18. Okay? So I took the red and the green piece total, added those up, and subtracted what it should be. And that gave me what was extra. So that yellow piece, that extra piece is 18. So the answer should be B. If you want to check your work and make sure that we did this right, if I take the red piece, the original piece, 23, and I subtract that 18, that will leave me with 5. So that means that this little piece here is 5 that we were originally talking about. Okay? If I take the original green piece, 27, and I subtract 18, I will get 9. So that means that this piece over here is 9. So I can take 5, this piece in black, I can take this piece, which is 5, plus the yellow piece, which we said we think is 18, plus this piece, which is 9, and add it together, and it should equal the total. So 5 plus 18 plus 9 is 32, so we are correct. Okay, so if you add the two pieces we have together and subtract what the total should be, then you get that overlapping piece.